Hello everybody. The final All-America Selection vegetable winner for 2024 is a sweet pepper called Red Impact. It is a Lamuyo type pepper which is usually difficult to grow, but this one has received a national award and is much easier to cultivate. If you're not familiar with the Lamuyo peppers, the variety is among the most appreciated one for its sweet and juicy taste, peculiar long shape, and attractive colors of red, green, and sometimes yellow. The plant height is between 28 and 36 inches, so staking is recommended. The plant spread is 16 to 24 inches, so the garden spacing should be a minimum of 18 inches in the row. Flavor is good. It's considered a sweet pepper. And the fruit size is reported to be between 18 and 17 inches long. I have to see this one to believe it. The fruit weight is about 9 ounces and the fruit is mostly straight. Their size makes harvesting much easier. Expect good yields. The number of fruits per plant should be between 10 and 15 peppers. The days to harvest from transplant are 75 and from sowing seed 90, and it has excellent resistance or tolerance to many diseases. As a reminder, check the All-America Selection website for seed availability and where to buy them. Thank you for tuning in, and coming soon are the All-America Selection award-winning flowers. This is Gary. Bye.